Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roshni. So today is a beautiful Sunday with thanda mosam and kadak dhoop. It just feels so good to have this much sunlight in Delhi. God bless. Anyway, so for today's video, it's a vlog day. Not that no other video is a vlog day. Every other video is a vlog day in my channel now. But anyways, today I'm going to Sarojini. So today I will be meeting Vanshika over there and we will be shopping. So हमको निकलना था almost मतलब मिलना था almost 10 बजे तक, but again it's a Sunday, so we are supposed to be sleeping in the Rajai. So we decided to meet at around 11 or 11:30. Wanted to go a little early because सरोजनी खाली रहता है. दो इट्स अ संडे, भीड़ तो होगा ही क्योंकि लोग आजकल 11 बजे भी चले जाते हैं. So there has been a lot of life update. Let me just tell you, I colored my hair. Last week I went to Bhubaneswar and I did color my hair a little purple, but वो फेड हो चुका है and I got this blue done here right now, which I'm not sure about it anymore. I was excited but not that, and I changed my nose pin to the ring one because I wanted to and it looks very cute. And also सुबह से मैंने उठ के एक दो ब्रांड्स का शूट कर लिया बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड इन द मॉर्निंग सन, क्योंकि मुझे पता है मैं शाम तक लौटूंगी नहीं, आज घर तो हो नहीं पाएगा कुछ. सो नाउ दैट आई एम होम अलोन, क्योंकि मेरे भाई एंड मॉम डैड सब भुवनेश्वर गए हैं फॉर सम रीज़न एंड भाई आज ही आ जाएगा. बट एनीवेज अभी चलते हैं, थोड़ा चाय वाय बनाती हूँ, कुछ नाश्ता करती हूँ, मैं फिर निकल ही जाऊँगी क्योंकि मुझे यहाँ से सरोजनी जाने में काफ़ी टाइम लगता है and I have to change the metro at Lajpat and then go to Sarojini. It's a long way. That's the route to my office also. So yeah, anyways, ज़्यादा देर ना करते हुए शुरुआत करते हैं आज के दिन का. I not to mention my room is a mess right now, like just कपड़े and everything is around. It's a disaster. Anyway, let's go to the kitchen and make some stuff. Also, I'll be sharing some of the new collection that has come up on Sarojini, so that you guys can know. Not a lot in detail, but a lot in detail will go in my Instagram. Yeah, because it works better there rather than here. So, और सुबह सुबह मेरे को बॉब ने भी हेलो कहा. ऑल्सो कल मैंने काफ़ी ज़्यादा लिपस्टिक स्वचेस किए थे अपने ड्राई लिप्स पे ही, तो होठ ऐसे गंदे फटे हैं ना मेरे दोनों साइड से, इसीलिए वो लिप बाम इतना फैला हुआ लग रहा है. एनीवे मास्क रहेगा, बट या आई हैव कोकोनट रादर देन चाय क्योंकि ओ बिकॉज मेरा पेट में काफ़ी जलन है ऑफ द स्पाइसी फूड दैट आई हैड यस्टरडे. I guess that's the reason the bob is out today. Also, I just got done with that time of the month. But इसमें तो skin clear हो जाना चाहिए. So yeah, we order this coconut every day. Like it comes up every day. So I hope इसमें नारियल हो. That's why it's so soft, because we don't buy the other one. But it's so expensive here. But easy to cut though. So खाली है ये. यार इसमें तो कुछ भी नहीं. I'll still see if I get something. Nah, it's empty. It's just the water in this one. किसी में नारियल भी निकल जाता है, so I always cool down that stuff and have the coconut in it. One glass. Cheers. Also, this is our OOTD for the day. I decided to tie my hair up because I know it's gonna irritate, and oversized hoodie with leggings. These are from H&M, and this is also from H&M but men's collection. I got it for like nice price, and it's really cool because something is written in Korean, I guess. And yeah, that's it. I don't know if I'll wear boots or shoes. Boots kharab nahi karne mujhe, so maybe I'll wear shoes that would be comfortable. So yeah, let's get going. I am waiting for Vanshika. Probably she has got lost, I guess, because she doesn't travel a lot on metro. So एक मेट्रो आ रही है, एक मेट्रो जा रही है, कहीं नामो निशान नहीं है. Hello. So, as soon as you get out of the metro station, you see this huge gate of Sarojini Market, जो मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि बन चुका है. मैंने नया देखा. Anyway, let's talk about the winter collection. इस बार का winter collection for December was very okayish. You will get a lot of denim jackets and this kind of jacket. मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा इसको क्या कहते हैं, but it's all over the Instagram and they were quoting these jackets for 1200 के above and 950, and also you'll get these jeans for like 100 rupees. And this particular shop is my favorite for shoes. You'll get the link about this shop in the description box below. Do check it out. यहाँ पे सारे heels आपको ₹250 में मिल जाते हैं and the quality is really nice. Even the flats that you see. Now that it was a Sunday, the sweaters were also really cheap, like for 100 rupees. कुछ तो 80 rupees में भी मिल रहे थे. But I didn't really like the collection. या फिर ख़त्म हो चुके थे. I just don't know. I just didn't get nice sweaters. You'll also get this puffy jackets जो काफ़ी महंगे आते हैं actually, but you will get them for like 300, 200, depends from person to person कौन कहाँ पे कैसा है. I really like that star one, but anyways I didn't get that क्योंकि बस नहीं. And then there's junk jewelry जो तो सरोजनी का स्टार है. ये हमेशा ही 150 या 100 में मिलता है and it's fixed priced. Anyways, the collection of the store is really really nice. And then you will get this random vendors all over जिनके पास ऐसे 100 में काफ़ी सुंदर सुंदर necklaces and earrings मिल जाते हैं. इनके पास actually stuff जो होता है वो काफ़ी cheap होता है, तो आप bargain कर सकते हो. And संडे इतनी ज़्यादा भीड़ थी, सांस नहीं आ रही थी. सो पता नहीं, बट ये सारे जो हैट्स हैं ये बेसिकली ग्रेफिटी लाइन के ऑपोजिट साइड में जो दुकान है वहीं पे मिलते हैं. एंड दे कोट देम फॉर लाइक 200, बट मैं 150 में लेके आई थी. सो द क्वालिटी इज़ रियली नाइस उन बकेट हैट्स का. एंड माई फेवरेट शॉप अगेन फॉर बैग्स, ये ग्रेफिटी लाइन के जस्ट ऑपोजिट में है एज आई मैंशनड. Hey guys, so we are almost done shopping. Oh my god. हम लोग अभी जा रहे हैं मॉल की तरफ कुछ खाना खाने. बड़ी भीड़ है आज तो. क्या तो धक्के मुक्के खा के निकल के आए हैं हम लोग रोड साइड में, ताकि
But the problem is we only get weekend to shop.
हाँ वो भी है.
Actually to go out.
अभी फ़िलहाल के लिए ऑफिस वर्कर्स. एक तो सैटरडे भी है हमारी वर्किंग.
पता मुझे क्या लगा था, मैं 1 महीना भी नहीं कर पाऊंगी सैटरडे वर्क, क्योंकि कभी नहीं करा. और पता नहीं 4-5 महीने हो गए.
मेरा तो एक ही महीना हुआ है.
डू नॉट टॉक टू मी. कुछ बोल रहा थी अश्लील.
नहीं, आया ही नहीं था. ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग पीछे बंदे हैं वो तो. वंशिका की मम्मी ने मेरे लिए गाजर का हलवा भेजा है.
ओहो हो,
गरम होता तो क्या मज़ा आता.
करवा ले इससे.
यम यम.
मैं लगी थी भंगीरी हूँ. क्या पिएगी, आइस या लेमनेड?
दोनों ट्राई करूँगी मैं तो.
अरे हाय मिक्स कौन करता है? बड़ी बदतमीज है।
So we are back home. मैं आते ही बालों का तो अलग ही हालत हो रखा है. So I just put on this hairband to look a little more representable. And मैंने सोचा मैं इसी में ही आपको हॉल दिखा दूँ because I did not buy a lot. मैं बेसिकली गई थी वहाँ पे स्वेटर लाने के लिए बिकॉज ऑफिस के लिए आई नीड स्वेटर्स. चलते हैं सीधा इस हॉल की तरफ. इवनिंग तो आपको काफ़ी ज़्यादा ट्रक्स और बाइक्स की आवाज़ें आएंगी. सो दिस इज़ द बैग full of Sarojini stuff. Now you guys know how much I love Korean pop culture and everything. So I went in and got 3 bucket hats. Like why? I don't know. But the colors were really cute. Like also got it in this tan beige color and a very olive green. Looks really nice. I do have one in black, yellow, blue and white. White गंदा हो चुका है, so उसमें कुछ दाग लग गया है तो उसको मैं टाई डाई बना दूंगी ब्लीच डाल के मे बी. So that's it. I got these 3 bucket hats. Then I got sweaters. Today was the green day, let me tell you. Even Vanshika got one green sweater. I got one green sweater. I got 2 green sweaters. I mean, आज सारे green sweaters इतने सुंदर लग रहे थे for no reason. I don't know, but just amazing. So the first sweater that I got is this very nice green color, and this is so thick. I got this one for $100 and bucket hats were for 150 each. He was quoting for 200, but मैंने बोला भैया प्लीज़ 50 रुपये कम कर दो तो मेरे 100 रुपये बच जाएंगे. ऐसे 150 रुपीज़ तो बच ही गए आई गेस. I don't know, yeah, maybe. So this one is the one, and then one more that I got is more heavier than that. This one is also like in very deep green color. This looks so Christmassy and so nice. I really like it. I can just put it on and my jeans and just I'm ready to go in the morning. So this is also very long and oversized. I love oversized स्वेटर्स. इस बार भी मैं एक लैवेंडर में ढूंढ रही थी पर मुझे मिला नहीं. द वन दैट आई शोड यू इन द प्रीवियस हॉल ऑफ सरोजनी. सो या दिस वन ऑल्सो आई गॉट इट फॉर लाइक $100 which is yay. The next one that I got is so pretty. I mean, I don't know how to describe this print, but this is what it looks like. I mean, इस बार browns and very deep colors like green and oranges are very much in trend, so I had to get one of these. Obviously this was recommended by Vanshika. The color was recommended by Vanshika and this was also like she also liked it, so I got this one for 200. Yeah, because ये किसी ऐसे stall में नहीं था. This was in a shop. So this is what I got. Very soft, very nice, again very oversized, and I really like that. I guess I have one more in brown. It's very different brown. What's different brown? Brown is brown. Anyway, so this one is another one. ये थोड़ा पतला है बाकी तीनों में से. So yeah, and this one was also for 100 rupees. I got everything for 100 rupees. I didn't want to pay more than that, but apart from that one brown. So this is what it looks like. Very simple and very nice. Long sleeves, which is nice because I like long sleeves. And the last item that I have is a skirt. So this skirt is really unique. I mean, of course it's nothing it's very basic. It's too long, but yeah, I mean this can be adjusted. Like there is a adjustable strap over here, and again buttons to adjust according to your waistline, which really looked very interesting to me. And it is so thick. Like it's really thick, and it's quite nice. I like it. It's like इसमें double lining दे रखी है, which is a great thing, and I got this one for like 150 rupees. That's it guys. That's what I got from Sarojini, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. And also I have mentioned Vanshika's channel's link so that you can go ahead and check out what all she got for herself. She really got this one very nice night suit which looks so pretty, and you will love it. And also I'll post a lot of stuff on my Instagram, so do keep that in mind about Sarojini Nagar. I have created a separate share book, or what do we say, guidebook, so that you guys, if you go to my Instagram, you can check it out and you can just go through it whenever you visit Sarojini Nagar. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon in the next one. Bye.